Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic American classics ever built, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. Known as the original personal luxury car, the 55 Thunderbird wasn't just about raw power, it was about style, comfort, and prestige. Let's break it all down, from its timeless exterior to its elegant interior, performance, and why it still holds legendary status. Exterior. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird is the definition of mid-century automotive beauty. With its sleek, low-slung body and timeless two-seater roadster design, it was Ford's answer to the Chevrolet Corvette, but with a twist. Unlike the Corvette's fiberglass body, the Thunderbird featured all-steel construction, giving it a solid and premium feel. The front end boasts a wide egg crate grille, round headlights, and a perfectly sculpted hood scoop that hints at the power underneath. Chrome bumpers wrap around the car, giving it that classic 50s shine. From the side, you can't miss the signature Thunderbird script in the subtle fins on the rear fenders, leading your eyes to the round tail lights, often called jet age lights due to their resemblance to jet exhausts. The 55T Bird came with a removable hardtop and an optional soft convertible top, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air cruising. Its sporty yet sophisticated proportions, combined with whitewall tires and wire wheel covers, make it a head-turner even today. Interior. Step inside, and the 1955 Thunderbird greets you with a cabin designed for comfort and class. Unlike the bare-bones sports cars of its era, the T-Bird was built to spoil its driver and passenger. The interior featured luxurious vinyl upholstery, chrome trim accents, and a wraparound dashboard that was as stylish as it was functional. The instrument panel came with a full set of gauges, including a speedometer, tachometer, and fuel gauge, all laid out with precision. A floor-mounted gear shifter added to the sporty feel, while amenities like power windows, a telescopic steering wheel, and an AM radio were available as options. It wasn't just a car, it was a personal luxury statement. Performance. Under the hood, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird packed serious muscle for its time. It came standard with a 292 cubic inch 4.8 Ly block V8 engine, producing around 193 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission, an overdrive manual, or a Ford O-Matic automatic, the T-Bird delivered smooth yet powerful performance. This wasn't meant to be a hardcore sports car but a cruiser with punch. It could hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9 seconds, quick for the 1950s. The car also featured a low center of gravity and precise steering, making it a joy to drive whether on city streets or open highways. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird wasn't just another car, it was a cultural icon. It blended sporty performance with luxurious comfort, giving birth to the personal car segment that other automakers would soon try to copy. With its gorgeous styling, plush interior, and powerful V8, the 55T Bird remains one of the most collectible and admired American classics today. If you see one of these beauties on the road, you're not just looking at a car, you're looking at a piece of automotive history. So, what do you think of the 1955 Ford Thunderbird? Would you take this classic for a spin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car deep dives.